How's it going, guys? My name is AJ and welcome back to another AJ Auto Review. The car that we're going to be checking out today is the Mercedes-Benz E250. Yeah, so the first thing, let's check out the exterior of the car. Yeah, so the first thing that you're going to notice from the front of the Mercedes-Benz E250 are the huge front headlights. They are all LEDs with running lights. You have a very huge grille with a very huge, everything in this car is very huge, with a huge Mercedes-Benz emblem at the middle. You have this lovely chrome accent from the skid plates in the front. Coming up to the sides, you have both 18-inch front and back wheels. You also have very huge rear lights. All are LEDs. English is hard. As you can see, you have the E250 badge in there. Dual exhausts. Yeah, and that's that. So next thing, let's check out the interior front. Every Mercedes you get in, you have this lovely Mercedes-Benz badge in here to remind you you're entering a Mercedes. Yeah, so coming into the interior of the Mercedes-Benz E250, you have a lovely leather steering wheel. Another thing, you get this epoxy finish here with some leather and Alcantara. At the door you have your electric adjustment seat controls. The driver's door, you have your side mirror controls and the mirror controls, typical like in any car from this era. The gear shifter of this car, let me show you. It is hidden. Here is where you get your gear shifter. It's not located here as normal cars. You have analog driver dials with a tiny screen in the middle, and this speedometer has a it is very unique. It's not the same as other vehicles. It comes from the side and into the middle. Here you have a 7-inch display, infotainment display. Under that you have 2 air vents here and an analog clock in the middle. Under that, this is your infotainment controls here. You have more controls under here, your heated seats, eco mode and parking sensors off. Down here, this is where you get your climate controls, and you have this place where your cup holders are hidden, an ashtray and a 12-volt outlet. You can also control your infotainment screen from here, and these are your different driving modes. So in the center console, this is how you open it. You have a USB port and a video input, and this space is decent sized. For the seats, they are leather and Alcantara. Leather sides and middle are Alcantara, and they are very adjustable, as you can see. And I guess that's all you need to see in the front of the Mercedes-Benz E250. Let's check out the back seats. Yeah, so guys, coming into the interior of the Mercedes from the back seats, you have leather and the same Alcantara material for the seats. You have door pouches, which are very nice and very firm. If no one is sitting in the middle row, in the middle seat, you have this armrest. You can store something here. You have cup holders there. You can see how convertible it is. So to access the cup holders for the back seat, you have to pull this one down, pull this one up, open that, then you have cup holders. Then you can lower this one and stay like that. So that's how you access the cup holders in the back seat of this Mercedes. To return it, do it like that, and that. Yeah, so if someone is sitting in the middle here, I don't think if it's going to be comfortable, because you'll have to widen up your legs because of this huge bump here. This car has baby latches. You can fit very decent sized baby seats here at the back. You have reading lights. It does not have a sunroof or a moonroof. Yeah, and guys, that's all you need to see in the back of the Mercedes-Benz E250. So guys, let's check out the boot, then we'll show you the bonnet. The boot, it is not electrically controlled. It is spring loaded, as you can see how it quickly opens up. You have a decent sized boot. You can see how organized it is. And it smells really nice, the new car smell. So you have a hidden compartment under here. You can see you have a spare wheel down there. And guys, that's the boot of the Mercedes-Benz E250. Let's go and check out the boot, the bonnet, sorry. So guys, this is the bonnet of the Mercedes-Benz E250. It is a turbocharged 4-cylinder, 7-speed automatic. I love the placement of the boot of Mercedes-Benz's. They are very organized and very clean. And that's that guys. So guys, if you enjoy videos like this, make sure you're subscribed. Tell us in the comments what cars you want us to review in future, and interact with us in the comments. We'll read all the comments, and I'll leave my number down below. If you want to purchase this car or any other car you'd like, just contact us through WhatsApp, or you can call or message. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And guys, hope you've enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video.